In this video, you'll learn how to find the measure of each interior angle in a regular polygon. So the first place to start is to define a regular polygon. A regular polygon is a polygon where all sides have the same length and all interior angles have the same measure. So in this pentagon, all 5 sides have the same length, and all 5 angles in here, they're all the same measure. They're congruent to each other. So to find out the measure of each of the angles, what we need to do is to take the total number of degrees in the polygon and divide it by how many angles there are. Remember, the sum of the angles here is equal to 5 minus 2, the number of sides, take away 2, multiplied by 180. That happens to give us 540. Now, since a pentagon has 5 angles, each angle is going to be 540 divided by 5. So each angle in this pentagon, or this regular pentagon, is going to be 108 degrees. If I look at another pentagon, it's a regular pentagon, all of the sides. This looks like there's 7 of them. All 7 sides are the same. Our sum of our angles is going to be 7 minus 2 times 180. So 5 times 180. Well, that makes a total of 900. And each angle, there are 900 total degrees. There are 7 angles. So here, if we take a calculator and do 900 divided by 7, we find out that each angle is 128.57 degrees. It doesn't divide evenly, so I go 2 decimal places on it. On a regular 15-gon, it has 15 equal sides. So first, find the sum of all the angles. We learned previously that that's 15 minus 2, the number of sides, minus 2, multiplied by 180. And 13 times 180 turns out to be 2,340. And so each angle is going to equal 2,340 divided by, in this case, there are 15 angles. And when we divide this out, we get 156 degrees. So if we were to carefully draw a 15-sided polygon where all 15 sides are the same, each of the interior angles is going to be 156 degrees. Now, if we take a close look at what we've done here, and we apply it to an n-gon, well, the sum was always equal to n minus 2 times 180. And then each angle, we take the sum, which is n minus 2 times 180, and divide it by the number of sides, which happens to be n. So this represents a formula that we can use anytime to find the sum of the angles in our regular polygon, and then divide that by n to find out the size of each angle. Now you can either memorize the formula or remember the concept of how to do it. First find the sum of all the angles, then divide by how many sides.